once in every single bar we went into last night, Ragemaster.
You should go look for the cheesecake.
With a glass? Oh, like they have a glass thing with cheesecake. Doesn't look like it. Yeah, even some guy even asked if he could kiss me. Oh no, I'm just looking.
I'm just curious because
There's no glass. There's no glass thing.
I just asked him. He said there was.
Where?
Alright, I guess not.
You have this sticking in my
Cheesecake Factory. I definitely expected a different environment in here, though. That's for sure. This is a weird, even if it's sitting like that, it's pointed right in to the thing. Didn't you expect something different than a diner? I'm gonna go check out the sugar. Order us some cheesecake. Should we get the strawberry? I think she said strawberry. Oh, we don't need anything. We're just here for a cheesecake.
cheesecake. I'm here and get it. I don't know what's going on.
I just said he's in doggy daycare. Said guy. They didn't bring him into the studio. He's only not been on stream yesterday. I think he wants the fresh strawberry. No, he's in Boston. I don't think the city is good for Pablo. You found the cheesecake? No, we knew. Alan likes to do one of the original places.